Here's number 27, and this is kind of a trick question because we have this start function and it creates this num array. Then we run change it, passing it the nums array, and we pass it the value 6 and the name. The change it takes in those values, changes the array to set to all 0, and then we print out the array down here back at the start function. And what you guys should be thinking is, yes, I passed in by reference, meaning that nums is an object, and objects contain memory locations in the variables. And then when we pass change it nums, we're passing the memory location. So arg contains the memory location, which means any changes to arg here would affect nums down here in the start function. And when it prints everything out, it's going to print out all 0, right? Because we set it all to 0 here and change it. But there's a trick here, because when it takes in arg, the first line, it immediately sets it to a new array of size 5. And when we see the word new, that means a new memory location is allocated, and a new place in memory is what's stored in the arg variable. So the changes here to arg are not the changes, do not refer to the same memory location as nums over here in the start function, because of this line right here. So it's kind of a curveball trick question. And so what it would print out is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Blackboard, I believe. Yeah, Blackboard. Because strings, although they are actually objects, the programmers of the compiler of Java programmed it so that they are treated like primitive data types. So yeah, name would not be affected by passing it over to change it. And so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do we get here? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we pass value. Oh yeah, 6, and then Blackboard. So we get E as our answer. Yes.